in such events. And of course, now we're celebrating the global entrepreneurship events and networking and all over the world. And of course, we have Bahrain has a leading role in that as well. I'm Dr. Nehal. I'm a business professor at the Royal University for Women, and I'm the director of the Office of Student Life at the university. Being in this role, actually, I come across a lot of events where I meet entrepreneurs, micropreuners, and startups as students or people from the community. I was invited several times by Ms. Kausar and to speak in such events where I meet a lot, especially with the handmade entrepreneurs and startups. Very inspiring. I missed yesterday's exhibition. I hope you were able to be there, and I hope some of you, I believe, are entrepreneurs. So I would love to know the audience, since the number is convenient, so we can actually get to know everyone here in the room. So can everyone introduce himself or herself, and I will be starting afterwards.
Okay, maybe I can start.
Yes, please.
My name is Bevelin Mudeshi. I am from Kenya. I've been in Bahrain since 2018. I'm in the IT field, so during the day, I work for a clinic in Sif, and for the clinic, I'm building their knowledge-based system. So I build intranets. I'm a Microsoft solution developer. And then I've also started a business on the side. I'm a personal trainer, fitness trainer. So I go and train people who would not want to go into the gym and all. So I go into their houses and I provide specialized programs for them. And yeah, that's what I like to do. So I do personal training and also Zumba dancing. Yeah.
Oh my God, amazing, Beverleen. The upcoming event would be, you know what would it be, Ms. Kausar, correct? So we all need this. So we need physical fitness, because again, it's not only about having good ideas or mental health, but physical health as well. So looking forward to maybe you offer something, and we would be more than willing to join. Yes, totally. And and again, you have an open invitation to visit the university as well. The Royal University again will coordinate with Ms. Kausar. I would love to have you, and we'll speak on how to collaborate. So yes. So it's nice to identify different competencies, what you can, what you want to do, and follow your passion. So this is the first thing. Of course, you know that, but it's nice to see a living example. So
oh, have we lost her?
No problem. She will be back soon.
She'll be back.
Sometime it happened.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, she's back.
She's back.
Yes. Okay. So who's next? Who would like to introduce him or herself? Sapna, Lubna, Mukta, Naifa. I don't know who's behind the Galaxy Note. So Lubna.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah. Hello. How are you?
Good. Excellent having all of you today.
As you know, my name is Lubna. We have been in Bahrain since 7 years now, and I have 3 kids. Before I started my Raisin artwork, it's been 1 year that I have started this work. I was just a stay-at-home mom, and I was just raising my kids. By profession, I am a pharmacist. But like my little one is now, she's 3.5 years old. So I started this journey to be creative and to spend my time more fruitfully.
Okay, excellent, excellent. That's a very nice example. Thanks for sharing, Lubna. We'll come back to you after discussing few points. So who's next?
Hello, I'm Mukta.
Hi,
Mukta. Hi, I had been moving around in many of the countries in Gulf over the past 20 years. So after moving from Egypt to Muscat to Dubai, now I'm in Bahrain from past 1.5 years. So I started with decoupage work around 6 years back. Then 3 years before, I moved to resin. I also added mixed media. So these days, I am concentrating on decoupage, resin, and mixed media artwork. And sometimes I try to combine all the three. And I also added making vinyl coats. So because everybody wanted it customized and personalized. So I try to combine all the artworks together. And yeah, I'm in Bahrain trying to promote my work and trying to establish my work from past 1 year. I'd been doing several bazaars and knowing people because I don't know anybody here. So now in past 1 year, I know many people. Many people, when I attend these markets, so many of them say, yeah, I follow you on Instagram. So finally, I could see you face to face. So yeah, I have grown my viewership on Instagram in 1 year. So I hope to continue so and try to establish myself.
Wish you all the best and looking forward to meeting you as well face to face. So Ms. Kausar knows that she and anybody from her side is most than welcome to come and showcase their stuff and have a table here and show their art or handmade work or any innovation or any business. So would love to have you here. So and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So. Who's behind the galaxy? I don't know. They're unmuted, so we can. Okay, Naifa.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hi. Good morning to you too. Good morning to everyone. My name is Naifa. I come from Seychelles, and I am now in Bahrain for almost 7 years. And I am a self-taught artist. I don't just do art on canvas, but I also express myself in diverse art. I like crochet. I like to create wood items, resin, all sorts of art that I can put my mind into. I push myself to do it. So therefore, I have also a YouTube channel which I teach other people how I perform my art. And actually, I've been joining Mrs. Kausar for a while now and immensely pushing us forward. And I'm so grateful for everything she's been offering us. Unfortunately, I cannot be there always because I have some health issues, but I'm a housewife, I stay home. But before coming to Bahrain, I was in office management as a senior licensing officer in Seychelles. And when I'm here in Bahrain, unfortunately, I'm not working. I'm home with my children and I express myself in my art. And basically, this is what I do.
Very nice. It's a pleasure meeting all of you. And I see 7 is a very common number. Actually, I have been in Bahrain for the past 7 years, so I feel that as if all of us arrived on the same at the same time. So it's really interesting seeing all of you. I'll share a few slides. It doesn't really say nothing that you don't know. You already probably know of them. But let's discuss and share. And you will add to the presentation. You will add to whatever I was thinking might be useful to you. I know that, as I mentioned, a lot of you already have been doing this or experiencing this, but maybe one idea or maybe two might be an eye-opener. Maybe it can help in something. So let's share my screen. So can I? Yeah, I can share.